In this session, we are going to learn that how we can use the present now option of Google Meet to share the screen with our participants. Basically, Google Meet provides you the option of present now to send your screen to your participants so that whatever presentation or any document which you are sharing, which you want to show to your participant, they can see on their mobile phone. So let's go and check how this option is work. First of all, let's start the meeting, and if you will click on the thing, then you will see that few second meeting will be started. So you can see that we have a two option, one is join now and one is present. So if you want to start the meeting, then click on join now option. So you can see that my meeting is started. Right now there is no participants, so let me add one participant here. So I am giving the entry to the participants. So let's see. So now after adding the when the participants will be joined, what I want to do is I want to share a screen with them. Then simply click on present now, and you will see that computer will ask you a Chrome tab you want to share you want to open in another in a video and animation, a window in a short form or in an entire screen. I said a window, so you will see that automatically a business window will be open in the front of this system. Then you will see this is a small window. If you click on the share button, then automatically student will get your screen on the system, and he will able to see that what you are doing in your system. Okay, so you will see when this is the host panel, and student is able to see this panel, and when you will click on the stop presenting, automatically the screen will be disappear from the student screen, as well as your photo. If you want to activate your video, then student is able to see your video also side by side on their screen. So you can see that my video is on, so it means students are able to see me. If I want to make it off, then simply click in, then it will be off. So right now this is a small view which you want to show to your students, but basically let's stop it here and share the full screen with the students. So simply I'm going to stop the sharing, and now after that what I will do is I will go back over here, click on the present now, and I will say the share the entire screen. Then automatically when you click on the entire screen, this feature will come. Select the option and click on the share button, then automatically your entire system screen will be start sharing with your students. So now if you want to minimize this, you can minimize it. So now whatever activity or whatever document you will be open in the front of your screen, your student is able to see that all things on their laptops or their iPad or their desktop, and whatever task you will perform in your computer, it will be displayed to your students, and they can easily see all the option on their screen. So this is the basically the feature of the sharing option of the Google Meet, and you can perform any task with the help of the Google Meet. And if you want to stop the sharing, then basically you have to click simply on the stop button, and when you will click on the stop button, automatically screen sharing will be off in the system, and the student will not able to see your computer on their screen. So in this way we can use this feature over here. And if you want a Chrome tab will be used, then you can see that you can use a Chrome tab. Also share audio. If you want to share the audio of your screen, then you can share this audio also. Or after this I can click on the share button, then automatically one tab will be shared with the students, but actually we are not going, it is not be useful. So let's better you have to be used basically the complete option, which is called the present now full screen. So being a teacher, present now your entire full screen, that option will be more useful for the student as well as for the teacher. It is a very simple. You have to select this tab and click on the share button, then automatically system will load your screen on the system of your students, and automatically whatever you want to share from your laptop or from your desktop or from your mobile phone, you can share with your students. So you will see automatically you are presenting to everyone right now. This is the thing, and if I want to stop this sharing, then I can click on the stop presenting, or I can click on the stop sharing option, then automatically your main dashboard will be displayed in the front of your screen. So as compared to Zoom, the sharing feature is very simple in the Google Meet, and in this platform you can simply share your screen with any of the participants. So after the sharing screen, if you want to end the call, you can simply click on hang on. Then if you click on the leave call, then automatically your meeting will be leave, and your system will ask you to give you the feedback. And if you want to restart the meeting, then click on rejoin. Otherwise you can click on return to home screen, then automatically you will back to the home screen of the Zoom. Now to understand the other feature of the Zoom, like how we can maintain the attendance of the student, that those who are attending the online, and how we can create a use the whiteboard feature, that to see all these things, please follow the next video and keep continue the learning. Thank you.